I work with moving companies every day, and one of the biggest requests from their owners is asking me how they can implement AI into their business in an actual practical way. So, today I'm going to take a deep dive with you into how you can use AI to actually generate images for your business, whether this is for your social media, whether this is for your website, or just general promotional materials. AI is getting to the point, not even getting to the point, it's at the point now where you can make really, really professional pictures. You don't have to pay someone else to do it for you. You can do it all from your computer. And it's very fast, it's reliable, and it doesn't look like it's AI generated. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Now, before we hop into it, I post material like this all the time, and subscribing to the channel or even just hitting that like button goes such a long way so that I can bring you more content that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and dive deep into it. Now you can see my screen right here. And what I am on specifically is ChatGPT, but I'm using a custom GPT, as you can see here, image generator. It's not something I've made myself, but what it is someone has pre-programmed ChatGPT in this model to specifically work on image generation. I will go ahead and put the link in the description so that you can use this yourself. You don't need a professional version of ChatGPT. You can use the free version. You're just going to have some limitations, but I'm going to go ahead and paste that in the description, click through on that, and walk through this tutorial with me so that you can actually, at the end of this video, have something that you can implement into your business. So I am on image generator on ChatGPT, and I've put a little prompt here. You can do something similar. My prompt is going to bring a really good result. So make a promotional image that will be posted to my socials for my moving business, Molten Brothers Movers. It will specifically be to wish all of our followers a happy Easter from myself and the team. I've uploaded an image of myself. Keep the image moving related and professional using my brand colors blue, white, and red. Of course, you can feel free to edit this as you like, but I'm going to go ahead and now choose an image of me that I would like it to use. And what's really, really awesome about this is it's going to implement me into the picture, which is why it is so strong, because it will also build your brand, right? They're not just going to see your business, but they're going to see you as well. And it's amazing the results you can get. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send. Now, the one thing is, ChatGPT does take a little bit of time to create your image, but it's not the end of the world. It's about 1 minute. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that now. So here is the image, and no surprise, it is incredibly professional looking. Look at this already. Molten Brothers Movers. There's no spelling mistakes, nothing like that. Now, it does think that my name is Mike Moulton, but I can go ahead and change that. And I'm actually going to show you how you can make some changes. It's gone ahead and it's put my logo into the picture as well. And you can already see this is amazing. This is professional looking. It's put crew members who I did not give it into my picture. So it's super professional. It's used all of my colors, blue, white, and red. This is something which is already brand ready. You can post this to your website. You can post this to your Google My Business page, to your socials, wherever you please. But I'm going to show you as well how you can make small edits, which is something that AI has come a long way with. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to click on the edit button, and I'm going to say, small mistake here. My name is actually Brian Moulton, not Mike Moulton. Please make that change, but don't change anything else. Now, you need to be very specific with AI. If you don't give it good prompts, the results you get from it are not going to be good either. So here I've specifically told it, please make that change, but don't change anything else. Now, it might still make small changes to the rest of it because that's how AI works, but we're going to go ahead and put this in and see what the next result looks like. And there we have it. ChatGPT actually went above and beyond and gave me two different versions. You can see here the first version really isn't good because it included that asterisk which I put in my original prompt. The second image is perfect though. It's gone ahead and made the change. Brian Moulton and his team wish you all a happy Easter. And you can see, I think it's even cropped out the Easter, but you can go ahead and change that, play around with it. What I want you to remember is I'm specifically using ChatGPT here, and I'm using the image generator. I'm no promotional ties to image generator, but I find it does the best job on ChatGPT. It's a custom GPT. So I'm going to go ahead and put down the description. Go in and play around with this, and make sure you use your content as well. What I love about this image generation is it no longer looks like it's AI. This is me. This is an image I took, and it has incorporated it into my business so that it is ready for all of my socials. So please go out, try it out. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it and if there's anything else you'd like to hear more about. I'm always looking to push the edge with AI, specifically for the moving industry, and how you can use it day to day rather than it just being something that you ask questions to. So, thank you so much for taking the time to check out this entire video. If you're still here, please be sure to subscribe and like the video. And I'm looking forward to bringing a lot more content for you over the coming weeks. I'm putting a lot of effort into this. I love to do it. I want to build a moving industry where everyone has all of the information they need and we all get to succeed together. Thank you so much.